Hey guys, welcome back to Coyote the Gamer. Sorry for the hair here, but today I'll be telling you why not to buy an eBay steering wheel hub. I'm showing you guys why not to buy an eBay hub. And I'm also doing another video for another thing in the switch. I might do, I don't know. There's a 30 amp fuse for my starter because yep, I don't think that's supposed to do that. So here's why not to buy an eBay hub. So this is the I don't know if you can see the flex of it. You can definitely see that. Now, check out the hub. Right here. Right here. These screws come loose, right? I've tightened them so many times and they come loose. Right? We have the article there. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do, right? If it works. This is the hub. I'm gonna weld a bead here all around. I'm tacking it, but first I'm gonna screw it on, then tacking it, see if that helps, and then we'll see if it's still good. Alright guys, here's the eBay hub. So this is the part that's loose. You can see there's screws. I did have to custom cut this because this used to be like out the way here, and the screw would grab on about like 4 threads. So I just cut it, and now it grabs on halfway. So these need to be tightened. Then I'm gonna weld the bead around it to make it better. Hopefully this metal welds. I'm hoping. It seems thick, so hoping it welds. Now this hub is an eBay hub. I paid $25 for it, right? Fake Sparkle eBay hub. I've had it for 8 months. I've had this wheel hub, quick release and hub for 8 months, and the only thing that has given out on me is the hub. This 8 months later, it's loose. This, no problem, but this keeps on coming loose like the third time I'm gonna tighten it, so I'm gonna just weld it now. The hub, perfectly fine. I bought it for $23, no problems whatsoever with this quick release. Awesome, do recommend it, but just check where you buy it from, because some people are different.
Are you going to your date?
Yeah. Friend out. Don't call it a date yet.
Huh?
No.
You're not gonna shower?
Huh?
You're not gonna shower?
Yeah, I did. Alright guys, so this is what I did right here, just that lip. I have this, that's why I put the screw right there, so I can just bam onto there. I'm hoping this is weldable. If it is, great. If it's not, well, that'll suck. But the devil is looking for a fight. But all I need to do is turn to the Lord and be one of his sons. I need to love him more. Alright guys, just added a little bit of paint to the doors. Let's put it on. There it goes. Nice and well done. We got this here. I need 2 hands. Bam. Oh, because I don't have a lock. My lock that used to go here to lock my, you can see I chopped it out. So yeah. That right there is just the play of this, but even new had that play. It never snapped on me or nothing, so I think it's fine. So it's good. Like it. That was easy. Now next thing is we're doing the switch panel, which is this, for another video. So thanks for watching guys. Please stay tuned for our next video guys. Please like, subscribe, share, help me out a lot. Continue building this car and that car, because more info coming on that car. It's not in the best shape, but more info coming on that. So thanks for watching guys. Please stay tuned for next video. Like, subscribe, share, will always help me out a lot guys. I'm just trying to, you know, do my stuff, man. I'm 17 years old. I'm just building cars. I'm doing what I love, guys. Thanks for watching, YouTube. I'm excited. Please support me, guys. As always, guys, peace out.